Is the reign of the electric car king, Tesla, finally being challenged? Today, we're putting the sleek, Lucid Air Pure head-to-head with the undisputed champion, the Tesla Model 3. This is the ultimate showdown to see if the newcomer has what it takes to dethrone the king. Stick around, because the results might just shock you. First, let's talk about what makes these cars so different. When you step inside the Lucid Air Pure, you immediately feel a sense of luxury. The materials are premium, the design is elegant and spacious, and it feels like a true high-end sedan. It's all about creating a serene, comfortable environment. On the road, this translates into an incredibly quiet and smooth ride. The suspension soaks up bumps, making long drives feel effortless. It's like floating on a cloud. The Lucid also boasts some seriously impressive numbers when it comes to efficiency and range, often squeezing more miles out of every kilowatt-hour than its competitors. It's a testament to their engineering prowess. Now, let's switch gears to the Tesla Model 3. Tesla's approach is all about minimalism and technology. The interior is defined by that massive central touchscreen that controls almost everything in the car. It's clean, it's futuristic, and for many, it's the gold standard of user-friendly software in a vehicle. The over-the-air updates constantly improve the car, adding new features and refining existing ones. It feels like your car is always getting better. Plus, you can't ignore the price. The Model 3 generally has a more accessible starting price, making it a more attainable option for a wider range of buyers. And, of course, Tesla's supercharger network is legendary. It's vast, reliable, and makes road trips a breeze. So, what about performance? This is where things get really interesting. Both Lucid and Tesla are known for their mind-blowing acceleration. When you floor it in either of these cars, you get that instant, silent torque that pins you to your seat. It's an addictive feeling. While the base Model 3 is plenty quick, the performance version is a legitimate supercar slayer. Similarly, while the Air Pure is the entry-level Lucid, it's no slouch. But if you step up to the higher-end Lucid Air models like the Grand Touring or the Sapphire, you're entering a whole new dimension of speed. We're talking 0 to 60 times that can rival hypercars. So, whether you choose Lucid or Tesla, you're guaranteed a thrilling driving experience. The main difference is how that performance is delivered. Tesla feels raw and aggressive, while the Lucid delivers its power in a more refined, controlled manner. So, who wins? Honestly, it's not a simple answer. It completely depends on what you value most in an electric car. If you prioritize a luxurious interior, ultimate ride comfort, and cutting-edge efficiency, the Lucid Air Pure is a seriously compelling choice. It's a beautifully crafted machine that feels special from the moment you get in. It truly feels like a step up in the EV world. However, if your focus is on a seamless software experience, the most established charging network, and getting incredible performance for your money, the Tesla Model 3 is still the king for a reason. It's a proven package that continues to dominate the market. It's the practical, tech-forward choice that has won over millions of drivers. Ultimately, the Lucid Air Pure proves that Tesla finally has some real competition in the premium EV space. The fact that we're even having this debate shows how far the industry has come. The winner is you, the consumer, because now you have incredible choices. So, which would you pick? The luxurious and efficient Lucid, or the tech-savvy and proven Tesla? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this comparison, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more EV showdowns. See you in the next one.